What's up everyone, I'm Bas, aka the Google guy, as you can see behind me. And today I got a very exciting package from Amazon UK, the Google Chromecast, which I also use to have this image on my TV. So today we're gonna find out what it does and yeah, if it's working and whether I like it or not. So first of all, let's start with an unboxing. Alright, so here we have the wonderful Chromecast. It's actually a very tiny box, and that's because it's a tiny device, obviously. On the front it has a font that reminds me a little bit of iOS 7 actually, with the colors. It's the easiest way to watch online video on your TV. So not much on the front actually, besides the Chromecast itself that floats. I don't know how they did that, but it won't float actually when you get it out of the box. So it's actually here, it describes how easy it is to set it up, plug in, connect and watch. That's basically what it is. So these are only a couple of apps that it supports. Send video or anything on the web to your TV from your smartphone, tablet or laptop. And on the other side we don't have anything except for this blue color. So let's find out what's inside. So it's actually a sleeve, and underneath we have another box which says Chromecast and has not pretty much anything else. So let's open it up. Here we have a quick start guide, plug it in, switch input and set it up. And here we have the Chromecast. We'll put that aside for just a moment. So here's what's inside the box. We have a very tiny small user manual, also a USB cable which I couldn't get in the right shape to fit in the box again. As you can tell, it's very difficult to do that, but it will come with a USB cable. Also we have a Wi-Fi or a HDMI extender if it's not long enough. It's optional. You don't need to use that. I'm not going to use this. And a wall adapter, but I am not going to use this because I got it from Amazon UK, and this thing, yeah, is pretty useless in my country, so I won't be using this. So let's take a look at the Chromecast itself. Let's flip it out. So as you can see, it's a very small dongle with an HDMI port and pretty not much anything else. So yeah, it will fit in your TV setup pretty well. I think it's in black, which is a good thing because most TVs are black. So you have a little light right there that indicates when the Chromecast is on, whether it's on or not. This is where you put in your USB port, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so the setup part for Chromecast is really simple. You just have to plug it into your TV and to the USB port, obviously, but then it asks you to give your network information, so the password, because it works with Wi-Fi obviously. And after that it will do a couple of updates to get the latest software version on the Chromecast, and after that you get this beautiful menu with all these pictures that change after, you know, several seconds, and yeah, then the fun can begin. So let's take a look and find out how that works. Your Android device or whatever device you are using will automatically detect that you have a Chromecast on the same Wi-Fi network, and you can see that by this little sign up here, but you have to press that, and if you do that you can connect to your Chromecast, and as you can see, you see the image changing on the TV. So it says ready to watch, choose a YouTube video on your mobile device or laptop and then watch it here. Whoa. So this is how it works with YouTube, but it works with a lot of other apps as well. Right, so on the internet you can find which apps are supported right now by Chromecast. For example, Netflix or HBO Go, Hulu Plus, Pandora, YouTube obviously, Google Play and TV and movies, Google Play Music, so you can stream your music on your device as well. You can also use Vivo for streaming music videos, obviously. and a lot of other apps. And these are actually new. They were added a couple of months ago. There is no way actually, or at least no Google way, to stream local content from your device, but you can use Plex for that, for example. But that is not free for now, as it is now. But yeah, that will be supported very soon. There's also a couple of other apps that might do that. So yeah, that's basically where you can find it. And you can also cast a Chrome tab, obviously, to your TV, so that is very useful as well. So as it is today, Chromecast works pretty fine. It does the job very well. It obviously depends of your network connection and things like that. And when you're casting a tab, how fast your computer is, obviously. But as you can see, this nice fireplace behind me is very easy to produce on your TV. So the number of apps that support Chromecast right now is already okay, but it could be a little more. Apps like YouTube and obviously Netflix those are very useful, because if you don't have a smart TV or no other, like a Blu-ray player or a video game console, yeah, there's basically no way to get Netflix on your television, and by using Chromecast, that's really the easiest way and the cheapest way to do that, because Chromecast only costs you $35 if you live in the US, obviously. So there is no official way yet to stream local content, and I hope they really are going to add that soon. Maybe Google Drive content as well, or Google Plus pictures, stuff like that. But you can do a lot as well with the Chrome tab syncing, or with the Chrome tab casting rather. I also hope that they bring that function to Chrome on Android very soon, but I don't know, because it's a plugin, or yeah, an add-on that you have to download from the Chrome Web Store, and that's not yet available on Android. So hopefully they'll do that very fast, and perhaps other apps are going to do this as well. So I'm very sure about that, actually, that we will see apps in the future, maybe apps like Spotify or other apps that you use. So make sure you keep an eye on that. But for $35, you can't go wrong with Google's Chromecast. So if you like this video, you know what to do. Click the thumbs up button under this video. And if you want to see more in the near future, then please click the subscribe button, and I see you somewhere in the near future. Goodbye.